What's up, everybody? I wanted to make a quick video showing you all of the key features, top features, whatever you want to call them, with BoldTrail, Max Tech powered by BoldTrail. So this is your dashboard, the main page here. Some people get quite overwhelmed. So let me simplify a couple of things for you. On the left-hand side is where you're going to find your most needed tabs. So your contacts is where you're going to go quite often, listings when you have them, and then down to marketing is where you're going to find a lot of other cool features. Along the top, they've added this new Omni search bar, which is really, really cool. You could literally type anything here, and the Omni search bar is going to find you the closest and best match. If you click on your face in the top right hand corner, you're going to see a couple of things here. One is going to be your My Profile, but the more important one is this one right here. 4 down, you're going to see your BoldTrail website that's included. That's mine. A couple of other cool things. If you do click on this envelope looking thing, you can find your Google settings here at the bottom and connect your uh, Google Calendar and your email that you send from your Gmail into BoldTrail, which is a cool feature. One thing that I would be hesitant to do is connect your contacts. Um, that I'll save for a different video, but that's a really cool setting here in the top right hand corner. Again, you're also going to see add contact. If you wanted to add contacts one by one, here's how you would do it. And then when you're done, click add contact. The other really cool thing that I like about mass contact adding is on the bottom left here. If you have the 3 dots, look for playbooks, click on playbooks, and then here you're going to find gather your sphere. Here, when you click on gather your sphere, open the playbook on the right hand side, and then watch this video here on let us handle it. I prefer this way, and then follow the steps in that video. Again, if you click on contacts, once you've uploaded your contacts, here's where they're all going to be. Listings, when you have listings and you click on my listings, here's where they're all going to be. Depending on the system and the MLS system you're using to feed, this is where the integration will come. And then again, the marketing tab was the other one I said that is going to be a favorite. So here's where you're going to find all of the great features for BoldTrail. A couple of my favorites are the present, for the listing and buyer presentation. Connecting your social media, definitely something that I push a lot of agents to do. We'll make a video on that soon. Design Center to design all your marketing assets, really great. Listing Machine, how to promote and market your listings. Campaigns, we talk about campaigns a lot, setting up people on email and text message campaigns, search alerts, and much, much more. So hope you found this video helpful. I'll make a lot more similar videos talking about some of these great features and marketing tools on the marketing tab.